Hello everyone and welcome to Yoga with Andrea. I am Andrea and today we will be doing a breathwork exercise to improve your creativity, your clarity, your productivity, and increase your energy on a daily basis. So this breathwork exercise is called Breath of Fire. And essentially what it is it's a rapid inhalation and exhalation through the nose. What this pattern of breathing allows our physiology to do is we're taking in more oxygen. So we're oxygenating the cells in a way that allows our bodies to detoxify faster. So we're getting rid of toxins quicker. We're improving our circulation. We're improving our cognitive function. And essentially, we're putting our brain into this brainwave state called the alpha waves, okay? So our brain operates in different waves. So different brain waves occur in the brain. And what the alpha brain wave does is it allows us to have clear, calm, and focused intention. So this can be great when we're working on work projects, creative projects. Even if you just want to be more calm, clear, and focused in your daily life, this brainwave state is the one that you want to access and be functioning on for that. So this exercise is going to allow us to do that today as well, okay? So if you can get over the awkwardness of the breath exercise in the beginning, you're going to feel these benefits quite quickly actually, because this breath exercise, you can feel the benefits from it very rapidly. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate it here for you before we begin. It's a rapid, again, inhalation and exhalation through the nose. So the main important point you want to remember when doing this exercise is that the inhale and the exhale are equal, okay? We don't want to be hyperventilating here. We want an equal exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So it's going to look like this: a quick inhale through the nose and a quick exhale. On that exhale, draw that navel in towards the spine, okay? As we speed it up, it's going to look very fast like this. But to begin here today, if you're a beginner, you're going to start slow, so it might look like this. And then as you get used to the pattern, you get used to the equal inhalation and exhalation, you're going to speed it up. Awkward. We look a little bit like a dog panting through its nose, but overall the benefits are worth looking a little bit silly for a couple minutes here today. So you can keep your hands on your knees. You can keep your hands on your belly here to feel as you draw in the belly on the exhale. And we're just going to close the eyes here. Today we're just going to do this breath exercise for 2 minutes, 2 whole minutes. You can work your way up towards 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, but to begin, it's great to start at 1 to 2 minutes a day with Breath of Fire. Okay, so hands where you feel comfortable with them, closing the eyes, starting slow, inhale, exhale until we can build our speed up. And let's start to speed that breath up a bit if you're able to. Beautiful. Keep that breath going. Keep that rapid inhalation, exhalation, moving the tummy. You're doing wonderful. We have about 30 seconds left here. Keeping that breath going. And fully inhale through the nose. Suspend and hold. Ooh, you might feel a little bit of a rush here, some tingling, all completely normal. If you feel lightheaded, exhale. Hold it if you can for a couple seconds longer here. We don't want to hold it if we're feeling lightheaded. It's not a spiritual experience. It just means you need to get some more oxygen. So take a breath if you need to. And if you're still holding, fully exhale. Beautiful. Now let your breath go back into its natural regular rhythm here, in and out through the nose. You might find your overall breath pattern has slowed down a bit here. Although stimulating breath, it actually calms the nervous system, strengthens it, which causes that nice, calm, clarity, clear energy that we feel after the breath. Beautiful. And when you're ready, you can gently open the eyes. Okay. So again, like I mentioned, this breath can be expanded upon. You can do it for more than just 2 minutes a day. If you're at a beginner level, you can start at 1 minute and progress as you go along. You know, this breath work, especially this breath work where we're taking in a lot of oxygen very rapidly, it is really taking high performance communities like Silicon Valley and athletes, and it's taking those communities by storm because of this easily accessible energy source that we have within us. You know, the breath allows us to rapidly change our overall state of mind and performance quite quickly and quite easily. So experiment with this breath, see how it goes for you. You can start your day with it when you have a busy day and see if it increases your productivity and overall clarity. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best.